This is a 13 on your side weather update.
We'd like to bottle up this weather for the rest of the fall. Okay, maybe not the temperatures, but certainly the type of weather. Been sunny and very comfortable. What's ahead for Saturday? 13 weather ball is green. No change to the temperatures or the humidity foreseen, but there'll be a lot less sunshine. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Our dog walking forecast tonight features Diesel. Robin, you can take Diesel out anytime this evening. It's going to be a very comfortable in the 80s, dropping into the 70s, going to give a green paw. There's going to be a little bit of a breeze. Wow, can't get any better. Mid 60s in the morning, also give you the green paw for that, for Diesel. Solar energy, creating electricity, almost as good as it was today, 8.6 out of a 10-point scale compared to 9.5 today. About as much wind tomorrow, not the greatest, but still enough to generate some electricity here in West Michigan. High pressure is now pushed to the east. Winds are around to the south since late last night. No fog is predicted. Lots of sunshine today, and we've got increasing amounts of clouds coming our way. It'll be coming up from the south. There's a cold front back to our west, but that's really not what's going to bring the clouds in. This is all the moisture that's come in off the Gulf of Mexico. It's taken a couple of days to get here. This is daybreak. Still sunny in Grand Rapids, but it'll become mostly cloudy throughout the day, but we'll still get temperatures up into the low and mid 80s. Notice no rain here by 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and even most of the night here tomorrow night won't see any rain. That'll all be off to our south and east and over here in Wisconsin. Upper level system then rotates through, and we get most of our rain during the day on Sunday. Most areas will see rain, not all, and then the rain begins to push to the north during the day on Monday, so not an all-day rain, mostly in the morning. In terms of rainfall, you can see all the way through Saturday evening, most of it will be east of Detroit and up here in Wisconsin, and even into Saturday night and Sunday morning, it'll be a while before the rain does begin. About half to 3/4 of an inch, and then a lot more on top of that. Some areas could see an inch or two just depending on how long it rains, and this is all the way through Monday evening. Looking further ahead from the 17th through the 23rd of September, still very high chances for warm temperatures over 3/4 of the country, basically everywhere east of the Continental Divide, and we're starting to get a little bit more of a storm track, although I'm not sure I agree with this. We're going to have some rather dry weather most of this week from the 17th through the 23rd. We may get some toward the end of that time period. Tonight, no rain, just clear skies, that full moon in the sky. Right around 60 up north, part of the lakeshore zone, low and mid 60s from Muskegon and Holland southward. Northern zone will be around 60, comfortable humidities, a little bit of a light breeze under clear skies. And greater Grand Rapids area southward will be in the low 60s here tonight with that light southerly wind. 13 on your side forecast. Becoming mostly cloudy Saturday, rain mostly on Sunday into Sunday night, and then it pushes to the north on Monday. Our chances of rain are not zero on Tuesday, but we see lots of sunshine and dry weather Wednesday through the following weekend. Gets a little bit more humid also towards next weekend. So again, most of the rain this weekend will come on Sunday, Sunday night, and then pushing to the north on Monday. Could use a little bit. That might be the only rain we see, guys, for about 10 days.
Boy, George, it seems like summer's just hanging on there.
Well, you know, the astronomical fall does not actually come till September 22nd, so let's hang on.
Yep, let's enjoy it.
I don't mind it, just for a few more weeks.
Right.
Sounds good.
Another gorgeous day here in West Michigan. Be nice to be able to hang on to this all weekend long. I'm not going to be quite able to do that. 13 weather ball tonight is green. We'll hang on to the warm temperatures for your Saturday. And the cloud cover is going to come in. So really no change to the temperature, but a big change to the cloud cover. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort. Temperatures today climb to 80 plus across the region. Average is 77, so it's been warm here the last couple of days. 84 down in Kalamazoo. We forecast 82 today. Came within 1 degree of our forecast high. Looking for maybe getting up 1 more degree before they actually publish the results at 8 o'clock. But 4 days in a row within 3 degrees, including 2 days with bullseyes. Off to the south, we've got a south wind. High pressure is now well to our east. That's starting to pump up some low-level moisture, and that'll eventually get here on Sunday. Meanwhile, back to the west, this cold front is slowing down, so this is not really where our rain will be coming from. That'll be coming up from the south later on tomorrow night. But before that happens, we're going to stay mostly clear to partly cloudy tonight. And then the high clouds are going to be moving on in. No rain expected here in West Michigan, just some filtered sunshine throughout the day, and it's going to be warm. There'll be kind of day where you'll be out maybe in a t-shirt and you might get sunburn because you don't really know that you're getting warm. from the sun. And then this is tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Notice it stays dry across much of West Michigan. Some showers to the southeast and to the west. And then eventually that moisture's coming up through the day on Sunday into Sunday night. I think the heaviest will be in the afternoon and overnight. This is 7 a.m. Monday morning. And then those showers lift to the north. And even though the chances of rain on Tuesday are not zero, they're not very high. So most of the rain coming here Sunday through Monday morning. In terms of rainfall, first round will come through, but not until during the day on Sunday. This is through tomorrow morning. This is through tomorrow afternoon and evening, and the real amounts of rain not happening until Sunday. This is Sunday morning in West Michigan, and as we get into our European model, when it does rain, it's going to pour. There could be an inch, inch and a half in just that 12-hour period that will continue on into Monday morning. So again, we do need a little bit of rain. Now the long-range outlook. Every week, Friday, it comes on out with the weeks 3 and 4. This is September 24th through October 7th. We are trending warmer than average. Still high chances for that, and equal chances for more or less rainfall. Well, there's that bullseye just to our east with higher chances for rain. Let's take a look at our forecast then for tomorrow as it becomes mostly cloudy. Highs around 80 north, low 80s Muskegon, Holland southward. Up north in the mid 80s. Very warm summer day under mostly cloudy skies. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, that high level cloud filtering the sunshine. Highs in the mid 80s. 13 on your side forecast. We'll cool off into the mid-70s Sunday and around 70 on Monday as those showers trend to the north. As I mentioned, chances of rain on Tuesday not zero, but just mostly cloudy skies in 70, and then we'll climb back into the mid and upper 70s by the middle part of the next week and low to mid 80s for the following weekend.